Welcome to another episode of Air Traffic Out of Control, the podcast bringing you the best, most interesting, and most outrageous air traffic control recordings, right from the tower to your ears. I'm your host, Amy Tango Charlie. In this episode, American Airlines Flight 1665 is leaving Charlotte, bound for Las Vegas. On its initial climb, the air traffic controller reports smoke coming out of the right engine. Pilots request to return to Charlotte for an immediate emergency landing. Let's listen in.
American 1665, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 1 right, American 1665.
American 1665, same tension, looks like you have flames coming out of the engine.
Yeah, we're going to have to return.
Okay, would you just like to make left close traffic?
Yeah, left close for work.
Okay, left close traffic for runway 1 left, sir.
Left close traffic, American 1665. As for American 1665, 4,000 sound like a good altitude?
Yeah, 4,000, good, sir. Whatever you can maintain. If you just want to make left close traffic now for 1 left, we'll get you back to runway 1 left.
All right, we're turning left, American 1665.
Sounds good, sir. Yep. Hawaiian 7 heavy, turn right heading 060, maintain 7,000.
060, 7,000, Hawaiian 7.
Hawaiian 7 heavy, contact Las Vegas departure 133.905.
3395, Hawaiian 7, good day.
American 1665, your number 1, sir, runway 1 left, clear to land.
The 1 left clear to land, American 1665. We're going to need vectors here for just a second.
Okay, American 1665, are you able to climb or can you only maintain 4,000?
We're going to stay at 4,000 if that's all right.
1665, roger. American 1665, flighting 180.
All right, heading 180, American 1665.
American 1665, are you able to maintain your own train obstruction avoidance?
Yes, we can.
American 1665, roger. American 1665, you want me to keep you going south, or I'll just bring you back over around over the airport again, north, and then just southbound until you guys are ready to land?
We're just about ready to land for visual 1, American 1665.
American 1665, roger that, sir. Runway 1 left, you're clear to land.
All right, clear to land 1 left, American 1665.
American 1665, verify you see all the field in sight.
Yeah, we have so.
Okay, clear visual approach, sir. Clear to land 1 left.
Clear to visual 1 left, American 1665. Hey, while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and request ours for our runway, please.
I've already got them on the runway. They're holding short of the runway, but they'll be ready for you when you land.
And we're going to go ahead and stop here straight ahead.
No problem, sir. ARF units are on this frequency. Can you let them know what you need?
Will do. Hey, our American 1665, our right engine, mind taking a look at it there, making sure, there's no fire or anything like that. Be grateful.
Las Vegas Tower, Red Dot 40 Company, requesting permission to enter at London.
Red Dot 40 Company, proceed 1 left.
Red Dot 40 Company, proceeding to 1 left at London.
Red Dot 40, you can talk on this frequency of the emergency aircraft if you like.
40 copy.
Red Dot 40, if it appears that there's no impending emergency right now or fire, can we have you guys switch to 12697? We're going to try and get some departures out off of 1 right.
Yeah, absolutely. We're heading there now, 2697.
Okay, 2697. Thanks, American and Red Dog 40. That aircraft's going over to 2697. You guys can utilize that frequency at your discretion and talk with the emergency aircraft there.
40 copy, 6. Switch over 1667. American 1665, Red Dog 40.
Yeah, we're here. How's it going?
And what I'm seeing right now, there's no fire, no smoke visible from that number 2 engine.
All right, so the number 2 looks good to you guys?
That's affirmative. Number 2 looks good.
All right, if you guys wouldn't mind, we're going to go head back to the gate if somebody would just follow us. We'd appreciate it.
Red Dog 40 copy, we'll follow your partner.
All right.
That's all for this episode of Air Traffic Out of Control. Remember, if you love the show, please tell a friend and be sure to follow or subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, X, so you don't miss any of our updates. There's a link in the show notes. Thanks for joining us on board today. Until next time.